Hi, Mrs. V.M. Lakshmi from D.Y. Patel College of Engineering going to present here the e-waste management. E-waste. As the rapid growth in the electronics industry is going on, this rapid growth of technology, upgradation of technical innovations, and the high rate of the change in the electronic industry had have led to one of the fastest growing waste stream in the world, which consists of end of life of electrical and electronic equipment such as the refrigerator, washing machines, computers and printers, televisions, mobile phones, iPads, and etc. The content of e-waste are that it consists of the uh, various materials such as the ferrous, metal, plastics, glass, wood. Also, it consists of the iron and steel, plastic, non-ferrous metal, mercury, arsenic, lead, etc. The main source of this electronic waste in India are the government, public and private industrial sector, which contributes the 70% of total e-waste. Also, the individual household contributes to the e-waste, that is the 15%, and rest being the contributed by the manufacturer. The content present in the e-waste are the harmful for the human life as well as the Mother Earth. The e-waste generation in India, the generation of e-waste in 2012 in India is 8 lakh tons. The annual growth rate of e-waste generation is the 10%. E-waste highly complex to handle and pollutes the and their occurrence in waste electrical and electronic equipment. This e-waste causes the impact of e-waste on health and environment. Many of these substances are the toxic and the carcinogenic. The materials are complex and have been found to be difficult to recycle in an environmentally sustainable manner, causing health hazards. The impact is found to be worse in developing countries like India, where people engaged in recycling e-waste are mostly in the unorganized sector, living in close proximity to the dumps or the landfills of untreated e-waste and working without any protection or safeguards. We can observe many times when we are passing through the road, the many electrical unused electrical substances are thrown in the dump, and that will cause the hazardous problem to animals also. The e-waste management issues and challenges. There are many issues and challenges are related to the e-waste management. From that, some are listed over there here. First is the poor information on e-waste generation rates. The 2012 regulation acknowledged the lack of waste inventories as a limitation and placed the responsibility of developing state-wide e-waste inventories on the respective state pollution control boards. The next, that is the environmentally unsustainable informal sector practices. Despite the growth in the formal dismantling and reselling the sector in terms of number of such facilities, the actual waste produced in the formal sector still remains very low. The next is the fraction in market for the end of life products. As we know that we want to recycle the e-waste and reuse it, but the problem is that employing the effective recycling technology for e-waste may require significant upfront capital expenditure, which may not be justified for private entities in the absence of certainty around the sourcing of enough quantities of e-waste. Also, these markets suffer from the information barriers. So, that are some issues related to the e-waste management. The next is the inadequate regulatory design and enforcement. The regulators are expected to review the EPR plan submitted by the producers, grant authorization, and enforce the previous of EPR plan. So from this, we can conclude that the explosion of electronic products over the last decade or so and the corresponding rapid rise in e-waste pose a significant environmental challenge to the government, particularly in developing countries. Thank you.